Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how I make a fake pie jewelry box from this resin box I made earlier. I first roll out some cherries from some red clay and then I stick all this onto the box. For the pie framework, I first roll flat some clay and cut strips. I then interweave these strips and texture it using my clay brush tool. I then use chalk pastel to shade it. Once I colored it, I take the framework and stick it onto the lid of the box and cut off the extra edges. For the fake clay part, I use acrylic wall putty mixed with plaster and some acrylic paint for the frosting. Here I use white, but later I remove it and put brown frosting in its place. To make the clay topper, I first make the body of the bear by using a conical shape. I then add a round ball on top for the head. I add in the ears by taking two small balls and making indents in them and then sticking them onto place. For the eyes and mouth, I take a snake of clay and cut out dots from it and then stick this in place. For the blush, I take and cut out 2 small circles from light pink clay. For the hands and legs, I cut out equal parts from a roll of clay and stick it onto place. I then stick a cherry in the bear's hands. Finally, I stick the topper in place. I then add red bows around the box using the help of a mold. I also take a snake of clay that is the same color as the pie and stick it onto the sides. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.